In this video, I'm going to show how to change your also cursor. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to come on your navigator. Okay, I'm using a Google Chrome, but you can use a navigator that you want. Search right here on Google, also cursor skins, and come on any website. I will use this one just for example. Then select the cursor that you want to use. Okay, I will select this one just for example. So I will click on this. Then come on download and click right here. You will download this scheme, and after doing that, you just need to open this file that you install. You will change your also cursor. Okay, click right here to install. Come on also again. Click on also button, options. Come on this pencil on the fifth option. And you will see right here current scheme. Click and change the scheme that you already installed. Okay, you can have many cursors that you want. Okay, so click right here on this bar and select the cursor that you want to change. Okay, I hope I help you on how to change also cursor. So if this video helped me anyway, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.